Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Monster Energy Drink Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Double XP. So, yeah, Monster Energy, drink. They're doing the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Double XP. Love how they have Ruin on here, and the Call of Duty Black Ops logo, pretty cool. Has it on just both sides, but nothing really special on the other sides. Just, the big old monster logo. So, yeah. Now, unfortunately, I only see it in this little 4-pack of cans. Just about like the letter size cans. I didn't see it in, in the 10-pack, which would have been pretty awesome. Or, in a BFC size can. Also, I don't know why you don't do it where they can have like the Monster and Juice or the Monster and Coffee. Because they do make the Coffee Monster and they do make, the Monster with the Juice. Don't know why it's only like the weather green cans and the blue light cans. Don't know why they didn't expand it to, like the 12-pack, to the, coffee ones, to the juice ones, to the BFC can. But yeah. Anyway, so how the double SP works. Let's see if I can get the can to zoom in and focus here. I know you probably won't be able to read this on the camera, and the camera can't really focus in too much on this, but let me try to read as much as I can. Code for 1 hour of double SP in Call of Duty Black Ops 4 multiplayer game inside, okay? And it works for, everything. PS4, Xbox One, PC, so, yeah. Let's see here. So, it's available until 6/30/2019, so, next year. So, that's how long the code is good for. Limit of 1 hour double SP per a day and 40 hours total. Okay, so did you understand it? So every day you get to play 1 hour, and you can stockpile up to 40 hours or 40 codes or 40 4-packs. Okay. So let's say you buy 41 of these 4-packs. Well, one code you're not going to ever be able to use because it's only a limit up to 40 codes. Which, I mean, it's a pretty lot of codes or double SP, but still, I think that they should make it unlimited, But anyway, yeah, that's the thing. I know some of you are going to be saying, well, because to multiplayer, what does that cover? Does that cover, zombies? No. No double SP for zombies. Does that cover the new Black Ops, which is the Battle Royale system? No, it does not. Does it cover, like, Domination, Hardpoint, Team Deathmatch, Search and Destroy? Those game modes? Yes, that's what it covers. Because Black Ops has, Merits, which is their code for their XP rank up system. Zombies have, Zombie, which is like just their web XP system. And multiplayer is just, hey, it's multiplayer. Yeah. Here it's on this side. I know it's on one of these sides. Here. So let's take a look at the cans. See kind of what they look like. Is there anything so special about a monster can? And yeah, I mean, you look at it this way. Oh, cool! It's just a monster can, and a little thing that says like Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Turn around this side, all the ingredients. Turn around this side, but bam! You got Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Ruin, one of the specialists. Hashtag Monster Games, Monster Energy.com, Toyota, Activision, all that stuff. Also, you know, come on. MonsterEnergy.com, and then Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Now we've actually seen a Monster YouTube channel, okay? Like Monster only type of YouTube channel that's actually sponsored by Monster. I know there's been a lot of other things, like G Fuel, they have their own YouTube channel, for example. But Monster Energy Drink, I just haven't really seen, you know, Monster Energy Drink channel that they're talking about all the new Monster cans and flavors and stuff that comes out. Never seen it. Don't know why they say Monster YouTube on there. G Fuel, yeah, I seen, you know, we had like some punch and some pina colada flavor and sour green apple and all the other ones. But yeah. Also, on a little side note here, Call of Duty said that they are going to put out supply drops. Yeah. How is supply drops going to work? We don't know. We don't know if it's going to be like how Call of Duty World War II is, that, you know, you play some games and randomly someone gets a supply drop. We don't know if it's going to be like how Call of Duty Black Ops 3 was, with, you know, the black market type of deal where, you know, every game you got so many points, and then those points that you saved up, you could either buy, you know, 30 points for common supply drop, 60 for a rare supply drop, which is what I usually do. I usually save up for the 60, and, you know, I knew I was guaranteed a rare item in a supply drop. We don't know if it's going to be something that you have to take real world money, convert it to digital money, aka COD points, and then use those COD points to buy supply drops. Or it could be kind of like how World War II is, and, you know, Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare Remastered, that you have to buy every single item in a collection just to get that, you know, outfit or that said weapon, you know, type of deal. Hopefully it won't be like that, you know, where you gotta buy a calling card, camo, weapon outfit, weapon charm, and then, you know, hey, you got the new assault rifle, the new crossbow or something, you know. Also, another thing that they said that they're going to be is they're going to be weapon variants. Yeah. Which could work in one of two different ways. One, it could work like, I really hope that they don't do it this way. It could work like Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, Call of Duty Infinity Warfare, where, you know, you have weapon variants that, remember the ball from Advanced Warfare, Ball 27? You had that, and then you had like the Ball 27 Obsidian Steed, where essentially it did even more and greater damage, but at a slower fire rate. You know, they could do it like that, and, you know, Infinite Warfare, where like you had a shotgun, but the variant version had like a bayonet knife on it that if you stab someone with the shotgun that had the bayonet knife on it, they would explode, which doesn't make freaking sense. Because, I mean, how can you explode by getting stabbed with a knife that's attached to your gun? You think that, you know, a shotgun blast to the head would, you know, kill them. Or just chuck them in the sentats or something would kill them. No. And the other way that it could go is Call of Duty World War II, which, if they did World War II kind of thing, I wouldn't really be as too much of being mad. Because, you know, you have the weapon ones that does nothing for XP. Then you have, like, the, what is it? Like, the rare ones that, you know, get you 10% XP. And then you have the heroic ones which get you 15% XP per kill. Which was, like, the hero one, you know. Now, the post was up between 1 to 4 hours that, hey, Call of Duty is going to have supply drops. And then, you know, immediately after that 1 to 4 hours, Activision was like, you know what, we got to pull this because no one wants this. Which, yes, I don't want that. Because, you know, they might start and be like, well, it's cosmetic only, like how Battlefield 1 was, which they did a great job in Battlefield 1. of the camos. And then, later on it was like variants and stuff, and, they BS lied to you. Like always. Yeah. Now, what could possibly be in the supply drops, which, a lot of countries nowadays in Europe, the EU countries, start to be like, no supply drops. Either have where we just buy the item like how Fortnite is with the V-Bucks. You want the scythe, you want, the panda camo. Cause this many not robots, but V-Bucks, you just buy it. Or like how robots is. You want a certain item, you buy robot stars, you buy the actual item you want. A lot of countries say, hey, we can buy what we want, that specific item or camo, okay, but other than that, no. So, yeah. So what else could be besides, weapons, wear codes, and weapon camo in a supply drop? Maybe double XP could be in a supply drop that lasts like maybe 30 minutes or something, like a half hour or something like that. We've seen in Call of Duty World War II. Now, if they do have where you gotta buy every single piece in a question just to get one specific item, here's something that I would love to have them put in as a new supply drop thing that comes every once in a while. A fire sale. If you play Call of Duty Zombies, there's the fire sale. You hit that mystery box, that 950 mystery box, for 10 points. Why don't they have that? Like how they have, instead of spending like, maybe 500 to get a calling card, you spend 250. A little discount that wearing pops up every so often. Just like how you got random double XP in, Call of Duty World War II. That would be something cool. Again, what else could they put